So yeah, as for my hair, I used the Got to Be Made. I didn't know Got to Be Made hair dyes, but they made a metallic collection: ruby, blue, amethyst, silver, and gray. And I keep saying I'm never gonna dye my hair again because it really does damage. My hair is so dry. I already did 2 deep conditioning treatments in my hair, so today it doesn't look too bad. I gotta be careful how I move my head. Anyway, so now I know what my brother means. But I call me a necia. That's what it's a Puerto Rican word. But I just had to try it, and I did it, and it's not L'Oreal. Oh my goodness, it has so much ammonia in it. I couldn't even breathe. This one, that only happened, and it also burned my hair, my scalp. This one, I felt a burn when I first put it on, but then it stopped burning. I didn't feel like I was going to pass out from the pneumonia, the ammonia, and I did it, and I really like it. I did, like I said, I gave myself the first treatment the day that I did it, and then yesterday I washed my hand, did the second treatment. It's permanent, so it shouldn't fade. Well, it fades. All dyes fade, and it looks like it may have faded a little, but it will be purple until my silver grows out again. And I even missed a few spots, but not just that I missed a few spots. Within 3 days, my silver will start going out again. So, I found a bottle. This always bugs me, like because I bleach so much, I feel like I have a bald spot there. I don't know if it's my imagination, but like when my silver grows out, I feel like it looks like I'm like bald, like really bald. At least in the camera, it kind of does that. Even though in real life it may not be that bad, but I found this thing at the beauty supply store called Kaleidoscope. So they say just put a little bit and rub it in. Let's see if it makes hair grow. I don't know. Oh my goodness, I like really have to be careful how I turn my head. And then my nails, OMG. My nails were going nice and long, and I don't learn. I used to cut them once they got a certain length, and they just look so pretty. I haven't been cutting them like I'm supposed to, and this one started breaking. And I was using coconut oil, by the way. I use coconut oil every night. Because of my panics, I have to put powder. I put cornstarch. Any powder, when I first moved here, my hands looked so dry. So I started using like a really heavy, like emollients, whatever you say, however you say that. And then I wash it off with a scrub. And so, I heard of that, Aldi's had this like virgin, natural, organic, type of coconut oil for only $5, which is really awesome. So I used it. What I was doing was I was just dipping my hand in there, and then I take my hand out, and then I rub it all over, and then use the scrub. And I noticed that my nails were growing faster, and they felt harder. But now that it's to the middle of the jar, I can't do that anymore. I'm just like kind of just pouring it a little in my hand, and my nail felt like it was getting weak. This one bends. These 3 are the worst. They'll just bend. So I said I'll just wait till the weekend. But the wrap came off of that one. The wrap, this one's breaking. I took the wrap off, and I said I can't wait till I get home to fix my nails. And I was maybe within 15 minutes of my house, and a horrible incident happened, and I lost my nail. Not a car crash, but still a horrible incident. But anyway, I just wanted to show you. I'm using the Let's Do It in 3D. This is that original, and this one's chipping a little bit. I gotta rewrap my nails on the weekend. The original China Glaze Kaleidoscope collection. I got them all. Like different places, like eBay and different places, different online sellers. whether it be like independent sellers or eBay, and I got a lot of the collection. And this is like a blackish charcoaly gray, and oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. I know you can't tell, but this thing has a gorgeous rainbow, true holographic. People are complaining that all the makeup companies are calling their makeup holographic, and it's not. And they're right. A true holograph would have a rainbow sparkle to it. Bottom line, if it doesn't have a rainbow sparkle, then it's not a holograph. In my holographic, it could be iridescent, shimmer, glitter, but it will not have. If it don't have that rainbow, it ain't holographic. So, yeah, I got one more left. So, you know, of the I've worn them, almost all of them. I think I've worn, not two more left. So anyway, I got the blue and this taupey color. But yeah, I had to cut them down. But this color is so pretty. I took a picture and I'll upload that.